Hey guys, welcome to a new video. So today I'm in Mercedes. I was invited to test the new C-Class facelift. Okay, walkie-talkies to communicate between us. So I'm on co-driver's position, and we're driving in a line between each other's, and there's a special route we're gonna test the cars. This is the facelift. This is the Avantgarde. This is kind of the entry version with a piano plastic. Prefer the wood. And this car has the new digital cockpit and the wider display. Gonna keep driving a little bit, feel the co-driver experience, and then sit behind the wheel and see how it felt on the driver's position. So far, first impressions, car seats are comfortable. They are redesigned. These are the new seats in the new C-Class facelift. And regarding the wind noise, I can only hear some tire noise, and soundproof is pretty good. And also, guys, I'm gonna put this GoPro next to the speedometer to have another angle for you guys. I'm not gonna be using my phone. To be safe on the road. Okay, we're now in Sport Plus, and this is kind of more of a bad road, but the ride is comfortable. But we're now in Sport Plus, so you can probably feel more road than in a comfort. Okay, comfort mode. You can still feel the road, but it's not so hard and stiff like in Sport Plus. The roads are really nice, as you can see. This is a forest line, pretty nice tour that Mercedes picked up. Also, guys, I love the pano roof. Many of you are asking me in other reviews for panoramic roof. They're always an option in most cars. We're waiting here. Looks like we lost someone. Okay, guys, we lost some cars and we're waiting for them. And I just wanted to show you this is the new C-Class facelift. It actually says C-Class in Croatian on the plates. This is the new A-Class, new C-Class Coupe. This is the Avantgarde, basic A-Class. This is the nice CLS. And it looks like we got our CLS. We can continue in the new A-Class. So I'm gonna get back into the car. This is the lineup. Going back into the car now. You guys, we just parked. We're gonna switch driver's positions. I'm gonna jump into this C-Class. There's also the CLS, which I would love to try, but we're gonna try doing some marketing communication so I can get maybe these cars in the future. I love this C facelift. As you can see, this one has new multi-beam LED lights. And this is the AMG package. Okay, so I'm gonna be alone in this car. This is the static LED lights, high performance. There's also one that adapts. I'm gonna jump in. Camera's right here, so you're gonna see me drive. Okay, guys, I'm in the new C-Class. I'm gonna turn it on. Put it into drive. Need to mute the music. Okay, guys. The feeling's good. I've already been on the driving one on the parking lot, which was the AMG package. I must say the brakes are hard. Car feels good. I'm not gonna leave it in sport. I'm gonna put it on classic. guys, I'm not sure how to remove the G-force here. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna put the car in a Sport Plus. Wow, the response of this car is good. Feels stable on the road. I was on the heat and now I'm in the AC, so I do feel a little nauseous, but steering, is there a bit lag? No, not lag, but I don't feel too much comfortable in the Sport Plus. I mean, this is a new car, so I have to get used to it. I can definitely feel the difference. I'm left here to see the consumption of the car in the main screen, and you can see how much power the car is recharging. I guess it has maybe an extra battery. I don't think it has EQ boost. This is a diesel car. Comfort, pushing the pedal. Really nice. I must say the driver's position is good. I have a good visibility. I don't hear too much wind noise, or I do hear the tire noise. We're not on the highway, but the car is handling good. I do prefer it in comfort because it's less stiff, it's more comfortable. It's making the more stiff ride currently is making me nauseous a little bit. I didn't eat, so that might add to this because I had a meal 3 hours ago. Okay, I put the car in individual mode, and we're gonna see here. This setting better. I'm not sure, but there's probably a difference between sport, some sort of combination of sport and comfort, which is something you can customize in this car. Forgot to mention in my diesel video, this car has a heads-up display as an option. The digital cockpit is an option, and the widescreen, if I read correctly on the German configurator. This is a spacious car on the front. On the back, you know, regular average sized person could fit in, and kids just fine. If you're a basketball player or size of basketball player just like myself, I would definitely consider E-Class, and the CLS also won't be the best choice if the back seat room matters. I'm excited about the new C-Class. A-Class is going to be in sedan version. I wonder how much space is that going to have. This car feels really nice. I do dislike the cheap plastic piano finish, and the steering wheel, it's just, I don't like this piano finish. Might be me, but it doesn't feel premium enough for this kind of premium brand to have this. You should definitely check the AMG package, which has a flat bottom steering wheel, aired leather on the sides, and the aluminium here. Looks much more better. This car does have the ambient package. We're not in the dark. It does have the panel roof. I like that option. Brings more light in the car. And so far now, this car is really comfortable. I was driving on the co-driver's seat. It's really comfortable. I did enjoy my ride. I have a lot of space. I like when I can rest my arm now. You cannot see it, but it's pretty nice. Very, very comfortable to drive this car. Okay guys, I'm going to see for you if I can go to vehicle. brakes are really hard. That is a good thing. That's a German car. Okay, I hope you can see the power and the nanometers of force we're using here. Car is pulling. We're in left lane. Of course, you can go back in the screen and you can go about driving the car. Okay, there's G-force, as you can see now. I'm getting pulled a lot. I would say this engine is really nice for a diesel car. Of course, I would prefer the petrol, like most of you. You gotta love my job. It's really fun. Of course, guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Like this video, it helps me a lot to reach more audience. And share it with your friends if you like it, if you know someone who wants to buy a car like this. We'll still in Sport Plus, taking over here. There's a nice sound. I'm in Sport. I think we're stopping here. I think we're gonna switch again here, guys. So I'm gonna, like, if we do change, I'm gonna test another car. There we go. I'm gonna leave it in comfort for this time. Okay, guys, looks like we're moving. Comfort, so this is pretty good. I guess the Sport Plus is a lot better. I've put it on graphics of consumption, so we have 6.4 liters. I think that's great. I believe you can push this car to maybe 5 or 4 liters. Have in mind, this is always not the most precise what the computer says, but you know, it's nice. And I just noticed this sport paddle is on this car. There's a little chrome plus and minus sign, but I would prefer this in aluminium for such a premium car as Mercedes. We're going back to the salon, and this was a short test drive for me, but enough to get some experience in this car, which I must say is really comfortable. When you go to Sport Plus, I'm not sure how is it going to be for the co-driver, I mean the passengers. This car is really sportish. I mean, you can expect enough power from this diesel engine. I believe this is 200 or 220D. Okay, just before we return to the salon, I've put the car in Eco, and now it feels like my car. The throttle response is much less, and there's less noise coming from the engine. So if you really want a comfortable ride, you go to the Eco, and I'm sure your consumption is going to go real low. And I'm going to wrap this video here, guys. Thank you for watching.
Yes, Mom.
See you in the next one. Bye.